Hi everyone, my name is Anja Raemisch and I want to introduce you to my world of the lean management at Diehl Aviation, Dresden and Gilching. My story at Diehl started 8 years ago when I got hired as a mechatronic technician at the production department. After 2 years in the assembly line, I took over the position as the team coordinator of the toilet assembly line. In this position I was responsible for the coordination of the employees, the on-time order processing and a lot of other challenging things, and it never got boring. I see myself as a link between the ideas of the employees and the staff and resources required for the implementation. For me personally, lean is more a question of corporate culture than savings, because these follow automatically when we are able to do our work perfectly. So I want to create a work atmosphere with efficient workplaces which everyone feels good about. And now let's have a look at one of my latest projects. So let's go. Now I'm at the cabinet of our 3D printers where the next story began. One of our colleagues has to clean the parts after the printing with isopropanol. He realized that the isopropanol is really expensive and he needs really much of them. He had the idea of changing the supplier, and at the end of the day the task landed on my desk. I contacted the procurement department and they found a much cheaper solution for us. End of the story, we saved the company a lot of money. And you know what? Let's solve another problem and just follow me. Now I'm at the production area at the label station, and as you can see, the labels and cover foils are hidden in boxes and the printers are difficult to reach. We had to optimize our handling, so I had the idea to involve our trainees at this project. They are supposed to think of ways to solve the problem, and after coordinating with the clients, so me and the team coordinators, to go into the implementation of the project. So quite soon we will see the results of the project and I'm very excited about this. As you can see, I'm a little bit a jack of all trades and I have to work all over the place. The challenge is that I have to create solutions for the workers as well as for the company. Sometimes this is not easy, but as we all know, we grow with our tasks. I hope you enjoy the insight of the lean management. See you soon.